Good morning, friends. Today I am with you with a very common topic, that is the incorrect sentences in English and their correct forms. The incorrect sentences seem at the first sight to all of us as English teachers also. At the first sight we don't see any mistake in the sentence, but then when we have to correct it, we then again read it and find and put stress on certain areas. The areas are the voice, the narration, the tenses, then the articles, prepositions, adjectives. These are the areas where there is mistake, and at one stretch so many things come to our mind and then we correct the sentence. But there are certain sentences we use, and today I am going to touch them, that you must read them, the incorrect ones and the correct one, side by side giving you correct ones also. You will listen to my video once, twice, thrice, and automatically they will be clear too. I am making them easy for you, and from time to time in between I will be explaining if it follows any rule. Here's the first sentence is, he said, this is the incorrect. He said that he will meet me someday. The correct one will be, he said that he would meet me someday. Here the mistake is in the narration. Will, because the reporting verb is in second form and in past, and will be changed into what? The climate of India is better than Africa. The climate of India is better than that of Africa. The correct one is, the climate of India is better than that of Africa. Next, we went to the office by walk yesterday. Again listen to the incorrect. We went to the office by walk yesterday. Correct one is, we went to the office on foot yesterday. It's never on walk या by walk. It is by bus or on foot. So it is, we went to the office on foot yesterday. This is the correct one. Next is, he is not only known for his wisdom but also for wealth. He is not, the correct one, he is known not only for his wisdom but also for his wealth. He is not only known for his wisdom but also for his wealth. He is 20 years old, isn't he? Correct one is, he is 20 years old. He is 20 years old, isn't he? Yes, Kamla, having finished her paper, she left the examination hall. Now, having finished her paper, Kamla left the examination hall. Having finished comes before. I am 40 years. I am 40. What kind of a friend are you? What kind of friend are you? A won't be, article won't be used. I know that he doesn't care others. I know that he doesn't care for others. This is the correct one, for others. I know that he doesn't care for others. Correct one. The office works from 10 to 5. The office works from 10 to 5. The incorrect one is the office works from 10 and 5. No. The correct one is the office works from 10 to 5. It's a good habit to refer the dictionary. Incorrect. It is a good habit to refer to the dictionary. I saw an elephant in zoo. Incorrect. And the correct one is I saw an elephant in the zoo, because it is the place, zoo is a place commonly experienced by all. So in the zoo. I am living here for 3 years. I have been living here for 3 years. Yes, friends, the use of for and since is when there is perfect continuous. So he is living here for 3 years. It should be he has been living here for the last 3 years. Yes, he is searching a lost book. He is searching for a lost book. Preposition for. Livingstone was great explorer. Livingstone was a great explorer. Each of the boys were interviewed by the principal. Each of the boys was interviewed because the subject is singular. So each of the boys was interviewed by the principal. This is the correct one. Myself wrote the letter. No, I myself wrote the letter. This is the correct one. The incorrect next. This is the most unkindest cut of all. This is the most unkind cut of all. I have a work to do. I have some work to do. I know him more better than you. I know him better than you, because 2 degrees can't come, comparative degrees. Being a rainy day, we took rest. It being a rainy day, we took rest. He asked that when his friend would be back. He asked when his friend would be back. So this is again narration. He asked when the question word is there. Which, why, when, what, who. Then we don't add that as conjunction, because already it is a connecting word. Yes, so he asked when his friend would be back. While going to college, a book was found. While I was going to college, I found a book. It is correct. We walked from station till the park. No, we walked from the station to the park. I did not attend to the meeting. I did not attend the meeting. Attend to me, but not attending to the meeting. I didn't attend the meeting. I suggest you to meet his father. I suggest you that you should meet his father. He came to Hyderabad on last Thursday. He came to Hyderabad last Thursday. You are joking, is it? You are joking, aren't you? See the verb, see the subject. You is the subject, so aren't you? One must love his country. No, one must love one's country. The possessive pronoun for one is one's. There are 5 males in the bus. No, there are 5 men in the bus. I prefer coffee than tea. I prefer coffee to tea. These are the sentences which we must take care that which are the incorrect and which are the correct ones. Though he was sick, but he attended the office. Though he was sick, he attended the office. The king with his ministers were present. The king with his ministers was present. The subject again. See the subject. She is the youngest of the two sisters. No, the comparison is between two sisters. She is the younger of the two sisters. When superlative degree is there, she is then the is used. Youngest. She is the youngest, and when there are so many, more than two. Why you are sad? Why are you sad? Because it's a question word and the helping verb will come before the noun. I prevented him to enter the office. I prevented him from entering the office. Please give me some information. Please give me some informations. No, information is what? Please give me some information. He objected on our proposal. He objected to our proposal. Object is always followed by, verb is always followed by to. I prayed God for help. I prayed to God for help. Yes, a few more. My friend will give you a cup of tea if you will visit her. My friend will give you a cup of tea if you visit her. For 4 days he didn't attend the class. For 4 days he has not attended the class. The tailor used the scissors to cut the cloth. The tailor used the scissors to cut the cloth. Scissor is always used as a plural. We heard him to speak in English. We heard him speak in English. He is proud for his promotion. He is proud of his promotion. The scooter is belonging to you. The scooter belongs to you. All the ministers accompanied with the Prime Minister. All the ministers accompanied the Prime Minister, not with. So these were the few sentences. In the next video, we will discuss more.